don't have internet connection and want to play the games. So here are the 6 offline built-in games in your phone you don't know about. So without any further delay, so let's get started and explore these games. Yes, you listen right. You have 6 games in your phone, but you don't know where are they. So let's check out where are these games. And these games are basically the Google based. So you will find these games in your Play Games. Yeah, every phone has the Play Games application, but you do not know that Play Games application have 6 offline games. So here the first game is the Volleybird, second Minesweeper, third Snake, fourth Solitaire, fifth Cricket and sixth the Pac-Man. So if you like this video, then please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to share this and hit the like button too. So thank you for watching.